Hello, munchkins. It's been a while. Anyways, geez, double chin, crazy work. Hair out the picture. Let's lock in. I need to shit myself. Let's focus. Okay, so first of all, let's just make sure, okay, screen's not there. Second of all, let's see, is it there? Peekaboo, perfect, let's rock. Trade recap from yesterday and today. Let's get this shit popping and locking and polka dotting. So I have 2 trades that I took yesterday in Discord Jits. I'm sorry. I woke up really early, traded by my dolo on my phone. I'm literally at Disneyland right now, guys. Like Minnie Mouse, like all on my dick. Geez, there's kids around, but you guys know the deal. We're locked in even at Disneyland. You guys saw the TikTok. Why did I come here? I wanted a spicy pickle. But we took 2 trades yesterday. Shit was fucking fire. Clapped both of them. And then I'm currently in 1 trade right now that I'll show you guys because I don't even care. Fuck it. Signals all around. I hope I lose. Especially if you guys signal bot this one. But anyways, let's jump right into this bitch. I can't swear. I'm in the Disneyland Hotel. This is bad. Okay, anyways. Let's get this shit poppin'. Okay, so this is NASDAQ. I didn't take a trade on NASDAQ today. I did take a trade on ES, but let's go back to yesterday. Yesterday was like the perfect setup for the trade and transformation strategy ever. So we were bullish on the 4-hour, and then if we scale down to the hourly, we see that this hourly candle closed bearish. We broke hourly structure, and then we came down and swept out 4-hour structure, swept out hourly structure, but this is a 4-hour low. We swept that out, scale into the 15-minute time frame. This is like, bro, like bread and fucking butter. Okay, then we have this hourly high. We break structure. Okay, we come in and we fill in this breaker block right here. Jeez, come on, man. Fucking metal all up in my ears. Okay, we fill in this breaker block. Okay, we also hit equilibrium, and then boom, what happens? We close bullish out of it. You know, we have 2 options. We can either wait for a 5-minute break of structure out of it, or we just wait for a bullish 15-minute candle close out of it. And we were already bullish on the 5-minute time frame, so I was like, bet I'll just wait for the 15-minute candle close. We get it right here, stops underneath these 15-minute lows. Yeah, she's calling out trades right now. Anyways, we get a bullish candle close. Okay, my first take profit was based off these highs right here. Smacked that, took 50% off, and then my final and full closure of my take profit was based off of this, the end of this 15-minute fair value gap right here. I honestly didn't think that we were going to push all the way past this big ass wick. I thought that this was a super strong level, and as we can see, it held pretty strong all the way through till the end of New York, but then boom, upon pre-market today, we ripped right past it. But hey man, no complaints. 1 to 1.9 risk reward ratio yesterday on NQ. We'll go over what I saw today on NQ, and then we'll jump into yesterday's price action on ES. So today, man. All right, boys. No one, don't wait. Where's the microphone? Okay, I think I found the microphone. The microphone's right here, boys. Bro, it was literally a fat ass chow backing up her fucking wheelchair. Have y'all ever been to Disneyland, bro? It's so fucking annoying. There's fat ass people everywhere, bro. Like, holy shit. Disneyland is meant for you to walk a half marathon. Get the fuck up and start walking. Anyways, let's get back into this. NASDAQ, again, bullish on the 4-hour. bullish on the hourly. We had this hourly fair value gap. We filled in that. Dude, I'm literally about to drop kick that baby. Okay, we fill in that hourly fair value gap. We get a breaker structure to the upside, but then we see this fair value gap doesn't get filled. We end up pushing back down towards these lows. We actually got an SMT divergence from here to here. And on ES, we actually ended up going lower. So that could have been bullish for NASDAQ. I just didn't really like the price action as much because we ended up chopping around. But anyways, we come up here, we get another break of 5-minute structure, and then, bro, this place is a fucking trip. Literally a horror movie in here. Anyways, we barely tap into this, and that's like mainly why. Like, look, my first take profit would either be right here on this wick, and I guess it would have been hit, and then like final take profit would be up here. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. I already took the trade on ES, so I was like, I don't know. This price action doesn't look the best to me, so I would rather just only get one trade in than have two in, especially because if ES goes up, NASDAQ will probably go up. Anyways, but yeah, we filled this in, and then we did get our bullish closer out of there. So my trade honestly would have been, I would have longed on this with the stops underneath this fair value gap. But see, like, I just didn't really like this trade. Like, boom, horrible risk reward on that. First take profit would have been all the way up there. Do I really think that price is going to go all the way up there today? I would like it to, but we're stuck within this range right now, so I opted out of this one. ES gave me much better price action. Anyways, so that was NASDAQ from today. Didn't take anything on it, but yesterday smacked it out of the park. Now let's go over ES from yesterday. Literally same exact situation as gas pack. We had market come down here, sweep out these 4-hour lows. We were bullish on the 4-hour, bearish on the hourly. As you can see on the first hourly candle, on the open, we ended up breaking structure to the downside. So in turn, I had to scale down into the 15-minute to find our entries. Okay, but you can see we swept out hourly low, 4-hour low. Okay, from there, we go into the 15-minute because the 4-hour and the hourly are opposite biases. We see we get a break of structure on the 15-minute here. We push down, same thing, breaker block entry off this, equilibrium, whatever you want to call it. We get a bullish candle close out of it, stops underneath these lows, underneath equilibrium, underneath the breaker block. If I wanted the stop loss to be a little bit tighter, I could have just moved it under the breaker. I played it a little bit safer. Okay, and then along with playing it safer, since I had 2 take profits on NASDAQ, where I exited half of my position here and the other half up here, I just closed out my full position on ES right here to secure full final profits, so that regardless if NASDAQ ended up flipping back and stopping me at break even, I made a decent amount of money regardless. So again, entered right here, had a little bit of drawdown, ended up sweeping these lows one time. Maybe some people were scared by that, and then ended up taking full take profit off of these pre-market highs right here. And then as we can see, similar situation as NASDAQ, this level right here proved super strong until pre-market today, where we busted through that. And as we can see right now, the trade that I'm in currently is moving towards take profit 1, and I honestly think I'll just only have 1 take profit on this today, because I'm about to go take a flight to Hawaii. I'm going all over the place, but after Hawaii, I go back to Puerto Rico, where I can lock in more trading transformations, where maybe I talk about some new concepts that I haven't talked about in a while that I've been implementing, and some concepts that I haven't used in a while that, you guys have been tagging me on your story, the people that still trade Forex, and you guys are like, yo, Forex strategy's insane. And I'm like, bro, I know. I just don't trade Forex anymore. But anyways, today, bullish on the 4-hour, hourly, bullish. We filled in this hourly fair value gap. Boom, that's our confluence. We can scale down into the 5-minute because they are both in line. We had a 5-minute break of structure right here, but again, we end up taking out these lows. Sorry for the ear raping, Mr. Incredible music. Like, just you got to understand the circumstances. We get a break of structure on the 5-minute, and then we end up kind of invalidating that by coming back down here. So in turn, I just wanted another move up to the upside for a break of structure. So we end up breaking structure on this candle. We get a move down, filling equilibrium, and then boom, bullish candle out of that. I went long off this, stops under the invalidation point, which would be the equilibrium low. And then from there, my first take profit, and honestly only take profit for the day, is going to be right here. Because to me, this kind of looks like, oh, we swept out these highs. So this is a pretty strong draw in liquidity. We'll likely draw back up to that. But I'm not going to lie, price action is moving super duper slow today. So it is what it is. But yeah, this is the trade that I'm currently in. 1.73 risk reward ratio. Pretty freaking solid. And yeah, hopefully I can get this video posted by the time I have to leave for my flight, and hopefully this can hit take profit. But regardless, really solid past 2 trading days. Hopefully you guys had a good trading week. Solid work. I get back to Puerto Rico pretty soon, and we can get back and pop. And I actually think since I'm not going to be trading tomorrow and the next day, because it's Saturday and Sunday, I can go ahead and pump out a trading transformation. It's just going to be hard because Hawaii is in like a completely different time zone. Also, I really have to go to the bathroom. So thanks, boys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.